Hi, everyone. Today we are going to show the comparison between the iPhone X's max display of RSx COF Incell and other COF Incell, so we can see RSx display's touch is smooth and simultaneous. And on the other hand, other display is also smooth, but not continuous simultaneous. Here, we will test the brightness of two displays. Brightness levels are the same. Our display could achieve 680 to 720 CD. And the other one could achieve 620 to 640 CD per meter square. Let's try the view angle test now to see the effect of color change. As I turn the displays over same angle, the right side's display is having a strong black shading effect, while the RSx display isn't having the same effect. And you see the yellow color is changing while I am trying with same angle. Here, we can see the border of the two displays. RSx full-size display with 84% body ratio. And on the right hand, the display's lower border's thickness is more than original or RSx display. Let's have a closer look. Now, let's test thickness. On the right-hand display, it's 2.5 millimeters. On the left hand, it's 2.3 millimeters. So, now we will measure the accurate thickness of the lower part. This display's lower border is 6.55 millimeters wide. And RSx display's lower border is 4.5 millimeters wide. The weight of the display is 56.5 grams. And our display's weight is 51.5 grams. If you have any questions, please let us know in comment or email. And don't forget to follow our channel.